Tinting Express. So today is a good day for us. This is our 100th Model 3. We're going to do this year alone. And I want to talk about this car because, we have so many people calling all the time and window tinters talk about this car. In Florida, when you have 9 months, at least 8 or 9 months, that glass can reach 380 degrees when it's tinted like this right here. This glass, if we were in a climate that was like 88, 92, this glass is designed for about 280 degrees max. And it is good solar protection, but the other thing about this car is its window from the back is here to here. So a lot of Tesla owners go, oh, this guy down the road can do it much cheaper. And, the problem with this is some tinters are overlaying it or splicing it right here. The window needs to be done in one piece. This is actually a good friend of mine's car that allowed me to put this one on video today. And today I'm going to tint the car. In this car, if you know me or my company, we typically do our stops. We come to you, no charge. And we do most of our cars within 35, 45 minutes. But this car is very hard, and it takes a good hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. So, I just want to explain to customers, too, that, or Model 3 owners, you must find the right tinter to do these cars. It almost needs to be a master tinter. So, it's a good hand cutter, knows how to shrink the film correctly. You can look at my conditions today. They're not great. Mike's here on the camera. He can show you it's a little bit windy, around us. And what makes us so different is how we can come to you and still give you a better than shop job. I'm a shop tinter originally. I've been tinting 35 years. I had big shops for, 15, 18 years. And, convenience wins the battle. But on these cars, if a tinter is going to charge a premium to do it, there's a reason why. The top is hard, the back is hard. In this car, to do it correctly, you need to do the back window one piece. You need to do a clear ceramic up here. You're putting ceramic down the sides. You're doing the windshield in clear. This is just one glass box bubble. And it's so hot in the summer here. The new Y is the same way. We've done a bunch of those, and obviously the Model S, but to do the top on the Y, again, you have to have a master tinter. And the new Model S, I've done a plate already, and the whole top had to be done. It's extremely hard. So, remember, these cars are the hardest cars to touch the streets to tint in 15 years. Since back in the 2000s when we had Berettas and Cutlass 4-doors, things like that. So, I'm going to stop for a minute. I'm going to tint the car, and when I'm done, I'll show you why you want to make sure you have a master tinter do these cars. All right, just finished this Tesla. I wanted to start off by saying while I was tinting this, I want to explain the glass in this car better. In the first segment of this video, I didn't really get it down. So we have a saying within Tint Express, 2 sayings. It's a glass box theory. If you tell me to hold a glass box, 6-sided box cube, and you say tint it with ceramic, and I don't tint the top of the box in ceramic, guess what? Heat's still going to get in the box. So that's the glass box theory. And when you do these cars, you want to do every panel on the car. That's the correct way. So that being said, and I was saying that the glass, can heat up to 340, 380 degrees in these hot months. In any hot climate, it could be Florida, Vegas, Arizona, Texas. This car is especially prone for heat. So what I mean by that, it's common sense. If we go to the beach and it's July 4th weekend and I wear a black outfit and you wear a white outfit, I'm burning way faster and absorbing more heat. And the problem with this car is the glass is only designed to absorb so much in the solar ray of the glass that Tesla makes up to so many degrees. So that's why you want to tint this car. Now, as I grab the phone, you follow me around, I want to just say too, most of my videos I'm dressed up. I'm trying to show how fast I am and how accurate I am and, things like that. This is a different animal of a car. And I want to let any Tesla owner know that that's in Florida. I travel for this car as long as you do the full package. So anybody can have this quality, first and foremost. And, 35 years I've been doing this, and this is still a hard car to do. And I've done 100 of them. And I can do the Y, I can do the Y top, I can do anything to the Model S, and I can do the windshield in one piece on the Model X, which a lot of tinters won't even attempt. And the other thing is, most people, you get this car, you spend so much money on this car, and you gotta go drop it off for 8 hours, whole day. I was here an hour and a half. This is a good doctor friend of mine. He's got things to do, I've got things to do. And here's the car. So I want to show just a couple things. This car was done in 15 down the sides, 70 on the front, 70 on the top, 15 in the back. On this side, I want to show you, I left these windows locked up. And And I want to show you that, you know, every Tesla I do, I'm not going to leave no gap. You know, around the window, if you look at a window, it looks picture perfect. And a lot of tinters will leave a gap, you know, like here. That's inaccurate. And same here. I see a lot of Model 3s where they'll cut it right here. You know, and you have light here in the front. The window is an open face window, so it needs to be tinted all the way around the window. Now, if Mike will pan in here, you'll notice the back window is done in perfect one piece. The roof is one piece. You can still see out crystal clear even though it's dark. And then our windshield is done in ceramic 71 piece. You know, a lot of times on these Teslas too, I'll see bad cuts around here going in because this headliner rests on the glass. You know, these are the things that you're looking for when you're spending this type of money on a window tint job. So I'm gonna lock it, close it up, and now you can see the car, what it would look like, you know, with it all shut. Go ahead and pan around the whole car, Mike. And another thing, if you notice in the video, you know, you see the conditions, we tinted it out here, and there's, you know, leaves and everything. We vacuum the car, we wipe the car down perfect. We try to leave every car better than when we touched it. You know, a lot of tinters right here on this back window, when they're done tinted, they'll leave a bunch of water right here in the brake light. We even clean down there. You know, we just know the car. So if you have a Tesla, please call Tint Express, and I'll give you the best job. Thank you.